Jane children, welcome back to the next session of our online EVS class. Hope all are doing well. I am Yashmi, one of your EVS teachers. Children, we have studied 7 lessons in our EVS textbook. Today, we are going to start the 8th lesson in our EVS textbook. The name of our lesson is Flying High. This chapter describes the characteristics of different birds. Children, can you tell me the names of some birds that you see around you? Yes, crow, sparrow, parrot, eagle, etc. Children, birds look different from each other. Their size, shape, colors, beaks and claws are different. Now, let us move on to the lesson. Chapter 8 Flying High. On my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Children, which bird is this? It has a beautiful crest on its head. It has bright and colored feathers. Yes, this is peacock. Children, you know how beautiful is this. Peacock is our national bird. It has bright and colored feathers. It has a beautiful crest on its head. It is said that when a peacock dances, it rains. Now we come to the second one. Long and blue is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. Which bird is this? It has a long and broad tail and it can fly very high in the sky. Broad means a long, narrow cut. This is eagle. Long and broad is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The eagle is what you call me. Eagle has a hooked beak and it has a long and broad tail. Eagle has very sharp eyes and claws. Eagle can fly very high in the sky. It can see their prey from very high in the sky. Number 3. My feathers are green, my beak's red. Guava and green chili I am fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Which bird is this? Yes, this is a parrot. You know that parrot is a pet animal. The parrot is of green color and one of the beautiful birds in the world. The parrot can imitate the human sound. Its beak is red. Parrot loves eating green chili and guavas. Next, black are my feathers and black is my dash. Cow, cow, I do all day long. Children, can you tell me the name of this bird? This is the most common bird that we see around us. Yes, this is a crow. Black are my feathers and black is my beak. Cow, cow, I do all day long. This is a crow. Crow is black in color. Crows keep making a sound all day. This is the most common bird that we see around us. Children, crows are known as scavenger birds because they eat dead animals and plants. Scavenger means a bird or an animal that feeds on dead animals that it has not killed itself. Now we come to the fifth one. Kuhu kuhu is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Dash is my name. Which bird is this? Yes, this is a cuckoo. Cuckoo resembles a crow because its color is also black. Unlike crows, cuckoos have very sweet voice. Then, dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the dash I fly, vulture is what I am called by. Children, this is a vulture. Vulture is also called a scavenger bird because it feeds on dead animals. By eating the dead animals, it keeps the environment clean. Vulture can fly high in the sky. Dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the sky I fly. Vulture is what I am called by. Next, my beak is pink, feathers grey. Guttergoo I go on all day. In houses I make my home. A dash is how I am known. Children, which bird is this? Its beak is pink and it makes sound all day. It stays on the roofs of our house. This is a pigeon. My beak is pink, feathers grey. Guttergoo I go on all day. In houses I make my home. A pigeon is how I am known. Then in trunk of trees holes I make, hidden insects I intake. Tuck 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 I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. Children, this is woodpecker and woodpecker has a long and sharp beak. It can make holes in the trees with its beak. Next, my beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home. The dash bird is how I am known. Can you say the name of this bird? It uses its beak like a needle. Yes, this is a tailor bird. Tailor bird makes its nest by stitching the leaves. It uses its beak like a needle. My beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home. The tailor bird is how I am known. Then page number 54. Why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep. Dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting, said the bulbul. The owl said, Stop this hullabaloo. Why are you calling? Hullabaloo means loud noise. We are all special in our own ways. Our claws, beaks, feathers and sounds are different, yet we are all birds. If we all looked alike, ate the same food and made the same sounds, think how dull the world would be. Children, even though they are different from each other, they are called birds. This world would have been so dull if all birds looked like. Which of the birds mentioned in the lesson have you seen? Write their names. Children, you can write the names of the birds that you have seen. Now go outside and look for birds on trees, in water, on the ground, in and around bushes. How many birds could you see? You can write your own answer here. In the table, write the names of birds and tick the place where you saw them. If you do not know the names of any bird, then write how you would know it. Name of the bird. parrot, duck, peacock, crow, eagle. Where you saw it? Parrot, on the tree and flying, duck in water and on the ground, peacock on the ground, crow on the tree, in the house and flying, eagle flying. Children, you can write your own answer here. Okay children, we will be continue with the rest of the lesson in the next video. Read the textbook and complete the textual exercise. Stay safe. Thank you.